Noble Life kasi very catching po yung mababasa natin, linis colon, iwas sakit. It's herbal po ba? Ano po ito?
It's an organic, ma'am. Actually, ang ingredients is made out of fruits and vegetables. No preservatives. Ano lang yan siya, powder. Yung dry powder vegetables na puno ng fiber, both soluble and insoluble fiber.
It's a food supplement po?
Yes. May halo kasi yan siya na cryptoladan, na chlorella. So, it's a supplement na nakakatulong po para matanggal yung, maremedyohan yung constipation. Nakakatulong para ma-control ang high blood, your hypertension, uric acid, makababa ng creatinine, at saka iba pang especially iwas cancer na ulo. Kasi po, gaya ng sinabi ni Dr. Bernard Vincent, 90% ng sakit galing sa bituka. So kung malinis ang bituka natin, malinis naman yung system natin. Yung binibigay na sustansya ng ulo, malinis.
Saan po kayong matatagpuan? Or ano yung contact nyo? Those interested to purchase or to avail the Noble Life. May Facebook po ba po kayo?
May 9 St. Anthony's Building, May 9 Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. Basta yung exit ng Gateway 2 sa Aurora Boulevard, opposite yan, Noble Life International.
Okay, sige po. Thank you. And again, with us is Doc Nay of a Noble Life.
Noble Life po. Noble Life.
Noble Life.
Noble.
Noble Life.
Life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doc Nay of a Noble Life.